Mild silver protein. How to prepare mild silver protein? No, it is prepared by addition of silver oxide to gelatin solution in the presence of alkali or the form of silver oxide and serum albumin, or by suspending moist silver oxide in a solution of casein. Mixture is heated until no precipitate is obtained on the addition of sodium chloride. This mixture is even then the evaporated to dryness. It contains not less than 19% and not more than 23% of silver nitrate. Now the physical properties. Mild silver protein, it has brown or dark brown granules color. Odor is odorless. It is freely soluble in water, insoluble in alcohol, chloroform and ether. It is kept well closed container and protected from the light. Now the chemical properties. It is differentiate from silver protein by the fact no or very little precipitate of silver chloride is formed by addition of sodium chloride solution to a filtrate. It is obtained by treating an aqueous solution of silver protein with solid ammonium sulfate and filtering. What is the use? It has antibacterial properties. It is used in nasal solution. It is used to treat gonococcal infection like gonococcal conjunctivitis and infection of respiratory tract. Now this mild silver protein, colloidal solution of mild silver protein have no astringent or irritant effect. Therefore, they are applied to sensitive areas and the mucous membrane. Solution of mild silver proteins should be freshly prepared or contain suitable stabilizer. Now the strong silver protein, it is a compound of silver and protein containing 7.5 to 8.5% of silver in the form of colloidal solution with sucrose as the stabilizing agent. It is prepared by adding silver nitrate solution to a solution of peptone. The precipitate is digested with protobumols until a solution is obtained which is evaporated in a moderate vacuum. Instead of silver nitrate solution, silver oxide may be suspended in the peptone solution. The suspension is shaken until the silver peptone has formed. The digested and dried product is identical with obtained from silver nitrate. Strong silver protein is differentiated from mild silver protein is its silver, most of which is present in ionic form and is found in the filtrate obtained as described under the silver protein, and gives a heavy precipitate with sodium chloride solution. Although strong silver protein contains about 1/3 as much silver as mild silver protein, it is more irritating and stand midway between silver nitrate and mild silver protein in both germicidal and irritated action. It occurs as pale yellowish orange to brownish black color, odorless powder, and somehow hygroscopic in nature. It is freely soluble in water, almost insoluble in alcohol, ether and chloroform. It is kept well closed and protected from light. Solution should be freshly prepared with cold water and dispensed in amber color bottle. What is this use? Silver protein solution have antibacterial properties due to the presence of low concentration of ionized silver are used on mucous membrane in the nose, throat, conjunctiva of the eye. The mild form is less irritating but less active. It is used in nasal solution. The solution are employed to irritate the urethra and bladder, to treat gonococcal infection, that is gonococcal conjunctivitis, infection of respiratory tract as a prophylactic medication against a respiratory infection.